Hi guys, so today I'm doing another makeup tutorial and I'm so excited to bring this one to you because I am redoing my prom makeup. I'm going to be 24 and it's kind of strange, like, why are you going to prom? That's kind of weird. All my friends, we just got together and we decided to do second chance prom for 21 and over, so we went to a bar and just had prom and yeah. So it was awesome. My sister, she was a makeup artist for Lancome. She did all this makeup and everything, and she's really good at makeup, so I'll insert some pictures of her here. So she's really good at makeup. She's my favorite. I am going to try to recreate her look that she did on me. That look right there. Let me just zoom you in and we will get ready. I'm going to use my Pore No More Luminizing Primer. I'm just going to do some little squiggles. I know it's dirty. It's from Morphe. That's not why it's dirty, but it's from Morphe. And I'm just dabbing the primer on my face. So what I'm going to take is this fluffy brush by Morphe. And I'm going to take Beam and a little bit of silk cream together and just put that on my eye. So, and then she used Pooter, I think. Yes, she used Pooter. I can actually tell what she used because I don't really use this palette, so it's kind of like has indentions from her using it. I know it's kind of weird. A little bit of Roseanne. And I'm going to take Buns and put that in the outer corner too. Okay, so I think I'm just going to go in with the black now. There we go. It's like my favorite glitter. It's by J-Cat. I got it from Amazon. I mean, like, I wish I could. Did it come out that right? No, it didn't. Okay. My Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm just gonna double it up with coverage. Do I need concealer? I think I need concealer. Okay, so concealer. I'm probably doing this wrong, but again, that is okay. My face, using my Tarte powder just wherever I did not put the baking powder, so literally like right here. Go in with my powder. My trusty powder, because this looks like crap. Not coming out right. I need to practice more before I start baking my face and then going out like a clown. We're gonna use bronzer to bronze up my face because we can't go out like this. I'm gonna go in with the bronzer because I'm trying to get light back in my face. We're gonna do contours now, that color. This is what she used, guys. I'm telling you, this is what she used. And I'm just doing a bad job. Like, nice and natural again. Okay. Just gonna go in between these two shades like this. Because I feel like that's what you do. But I saw her do this, so I'm gonna do it. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see y'all later in my next video. Tell me if I did a good job. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if I did it wrong. I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see y'all later in my next video. And bye. And make sure you subscribe and like and do all that fun stuff. Thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all later. Bye, guys.